No lack of wow factor here in this one-of-a-kind home. Situated on a peaceful cul-de-sac lot, like new construction and sure to impress. View this beautifully upgraded 2-bedroom, 2-bath home with a den located in the desirable Cherry Hill neighborhood, known for its rolling hills and scenic golf course. With nearly 1,700 square feet of thoughtfully designed living space, this home epitomizes contemporary elegance. Ultimate curb appeal includes all new mulch and custom stone around the home's perimeter. Inside, the open concept floor plan features a bright professional-grade kitchen with quartz countertops, custom Dutch-made cabinetry, a striking backsplash, and high-end appliances. Wide plank engineered white oak floors and sleek brass hardware adds sophistication to every room. Step outside to enjoy the crisp fall air from the newly floored, private screened-in porch and outdoor patio complete with a fireplace, perfect for relaxing or entertaining. The inviting entryway welcomes you with open arms. Prepare yourself to fall in love with this home. From the living room to the kitchen to the bedrooms, imagine yourself wrapped in this modern, chic charm. Step into a world that's more than pure imagination and see this stunning home today. Call Kelly Barile or AJ Sheehy to learn more.